Alright guys, so I told you that this is going to be an interesting video. You guys will probably see it Monday. It is not going to be my first time riding my motorcycle. Don't worry, we're not doing another one of those videos. The only reason why we do those videos is because they do good on views. And the more views we could get, the bigger we could grow our channel, you know. So I'm not going to be doing a lot of those videos. I'm going to do them here and there, you know. So if you see one of those videos pop up, don't mind me. It's just because they get a lot of views and that's good for the channel. But if we get these videos getting a lot of views, guys, that'll be awesome too. But anyways, guys, what we are going to be doing today in our video, let me read you guys the title. If you guys saw yesterday's video, I'm sure you guys are waiting to see what we have in store for you guys today. So let me read you the title real quick, and this is what it's going to be. I tried riding my motorcycle with only my phone map. Yes, that's correct. With only my phone map. That's what we're doing today. So how I am going to do this right now is, like I said, I really did not think about this. I just, you know, YouTube recommends me titles to use, and I was like, hey, that looks like a good video idea, you know, so why don't we do it? So how we are going to do this today, guys, is we're just going to go to the search bar and we're just going to type in an address, a random one that I don't even, let's just put 1233. What pops up? Fox River Drive. Alright, let's just hit that. And then let's just directions, and let's just hit start. So now how I'm gonna do this video is I'm just gonna ride to wherever this destination is, and I am assuming it's gonna be along the river. This is just a random address I typed in. I don't even know where this is, but we're just gonna go where the Google Maps takes us, and I feel like that would be perspective and close to the title, you know, like it'd be like close to along what the title says, because we are going along with our phone map and we are going where it takes us. So I want to say that that would be close to the video idea that I had. But guys, let's get going, and that's what we're doing in today's video, is going where our phone map takes us. So let's go. Please give this video a like real quick, because I might get lost on this video. So please like the video for me. That's the least you guys could do. Alright, now it's all phone. From this point on, we listen to the phone only. And the phone is telling us to turn left up here, which there's an easier way to get out onto the road, but we're gonna do what the phone says only, and that is we're gonna take a left right here. And then it's telling us to go right on the main road, so that's what we're gonna do. Cool stuff. Alright, so let's go right now. Yep, look at this. You just let us into traffic, phone. I already knew there was going to be traffic right here. But this video is going to be dedicated on doing what the phone tells us to do. What the map on the phone tells us to do. Okay, so we're gonna have to go right somewhere up here. It says turn slightly right on 31 South. Cool stuff. We are listening to the phone all the way until we get to our destination. And I told you guys yesterday that we are going to be recording this one on the Supermoto. So we do have the Supermoto out. So I did not break my promise on that one. I really wanted to take the Z400 because she sounds nice and she's so much more powerful. But I told you guys we was going to do this on the Supermoto, so I had to go with my word. And that is get the Supermoto. And I believe this mic is working good. I was watching our last few rides and it sounds like it's working pretty good. Let me know in the comments, is the mic working? Can you guys hear me fine when we're on the streets like this? Because I know last summer I did not have a mic yet and everybody was like, you should get a mic, you should get a mic. We finally got one and I feel like it's working. .7 miles, it's telling me to keep right or whatever. I don't know if it's telling me turn right or keep right or get on a highway. We'll find out. Oh, nope. It looks like we're gonna be getting on a highway. Alright, cool. Thank you, phone map. Like I said, this is gonna be an interesting video. Okay, that's cool. The phone map is telling us get on a highway with a Supermoto. So nice. You're such a good phone. Hopefully this video gets a lot of views. Alright, well the phone's telling us to turn on right on this highway onto 31, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna listen to the phone and we're gonna turn right onto 31. Awesome. What did I just get myself into? Okay, and then it's going to tell us to go left somewhere up here. Oh, it's 35, alright. Speed limit changed. Which it don't bother me, but speed limit has changed. Alright, let's see here. The phone map is telling us to go left up here. Just where? It's up here somewhere. It's by Walgreens. Is that Walgreens it says on the map? I don't know. I'm about to find out. It's left right here, right? Yeah, it's left right here. Alright, cool. It's by DQ. Alright, it's a DQ. That's what it's telling us to do. Turn left by DQ. Dairy Queen, it's ice cream place. And it looks like our destination is coming up here, right on the left. Where did this phone map just take us? I don't know. Fox River Road. Okay, that's where it took us. Let's see here. Then there's a dead end right here. We're just gonna pull up to our destination right here, and we have arrived. Fox River Drive. There we go. Now, how about we get lost a little bit, guys? Because I don't know where we're at. This is a dead end, so I'm just going to go ahead and click done. And we're just going to exit out of here. And we're going to just turn off the phone. Look at this. We got the river. Is that what we're seeing right here? No parking anytime. Alright, well, I'm not parking here. I just want to look at the river. Look at the river. Look at that, guys. Are we recording? Let me make sure we're recording. We are recording. We're going on 10 minutes of recording. Look at the beautiful river. Alright. So now I see why they call it Fox River Drive, because there's a river. And I assume it's Fox River. Can we take a thumbnail here real quick? Let's just take a thumbnail real quick. I know we're not supposed to be parking here at any time, but we'll be fast. We will be fast. Alright. Took a little quick thumbnail. And now, guys, let's get lost. Let's get lost together. Let's go explore some. This video is not over yet. We still might need the phone map, because we're going to go explore without the phone map. And that means we are probably going to get lost. Alright. So with that being said, let's go straight. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm trying to make this video as interesting as it could be, if it's not already interesting. But we are gonna be exploring without a phone map right now, which means we're probably gonna get lost. And we're probably gonna need the phone map again. Should we go right? I kind of want to go on the river. Let's go right. We're gonna go on the river. We're getting back on the highway. I was kind of hoping that GPS would take us somewhere else than back there, but that worked. Now we are gonna go with what I know from my head. We are gonna go on to the river and we're gonna explore some of the river. That sounds like a fun time. And I think we could get to the river by cutting through here, if I'm correct. We're gonna go right at the light. Like I said, I'm not sure. I'm just going with my gut. I think this will take us to the river. We're gonna go right here. Am I exactly sure? No, I'm not, but I think I'm right. Yes, I think I'm correct. Actually, I know I'm correct. This will take us right down to the river. Maybe we'll take one more thumbnail if we find a spot by the river. That would be nice. Or actually, hold on. I forgot that I'm using the phone maps for a thumbnail, so I don't think we're taking our thumbnail, but we will explore the river. We will do that. I already know what thumbnail I'm using for this video, or which one I'm gonna make. have to make a thumbnail that matches the title, you know. And wait a sec, I just thought of a good idea. Hold on. We might actually be able to use the river in the thumbnail. I just thought of a brilliant idea. We are gonna go see the river and then we'll end the video there. And then I'll probably record one more for Tuesday, because it's gonna rain this whole week from what I saw, which I'm not looking forward to. But like I said, it's not even the end of spring yet, guys. We're gonna have rain, but as soon as that summer hits, I really hope it's a not rainy summer. I mean, a little rain is nice, but I just hope we have a lot of riding days, and I'm sure we will. Okay. Okay, I need to get over one. The river would be on the other side, the right side. That's nice to know. Let's go right here. Bum, 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 we're here. Alright, let's see if there's a parking lot that we can pull into. Alright, let's see here. Could we possibly just pull over in here real quick and take a quick little thumbnail? Yes, right here, just really fast. Look at this, guys, look at the river. We're gonna take a look at the river real quick and take a little quick thumbnail. Look at the ducks, guys. Now, I believe this is the same river that we saw back there. I think that should be good. I take one Snapchat real quick too for our Snapchatters. There we go. Well, let's do one Instagram and Facebook post. Why not? There we go, perfect. Alright guys, well I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take one more quick look at the river. You got some boats out today. And yeah guys, I'm gonna end this video and record Tuesday's video. And actually that, you see the bike across there? That's the road that I was gonna take us on, but this is even better because we actually get to look at the river close up, so I would say this is better. Alright guys, well I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll see you guys in Tuesday's ride. And if it don't rain Monday, then I might go out Monday. Or if it don't rain Monday, I will go out Monday because it's supposed to be nice. So I should be able to get this full week recorded. And actually they left. Hold on. These people actually left. We're actually gonna walk down here and take one more picture, because this would probably be better too. Yeah, look at this, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.